This is a demonstration on how to enter data into SPSS. If you open up an empty data file, you'll see that you can open up the data view pane or the variable view pane. When we're entering data, it's sensible to start with a variable view pane and type in the names of your variables here. So if we're going to be inserting the data on the academic confidence scale, have that to hand, and you'll be able to follow me as I input the findings from one student. Now we're going to give every student an ID number, so ID will be the first variable. We don't need any decimal points for that, and it's a numeric variable. We'll give people a value of 1, 2, 3 and so on. Secondly, we want to insert whether they're male or female, and again 0 decimals, but we need to insert some values here, so that a value of 1 perhaps means a male, add, and a value of 2 for female, and then OK that. Then we'll need to input each variable, each item. So we have item 1, which is how confident are you that you will be able to study effectively on your own in independent or private study. And it's worthwhile using an abbreviation of that you'll recognise, because when you're doing your analysis later on, it will be useful in the output to just have a view of what it is, rather than just item 1. Have, for example, effective study. That will help you to remember what's in there. So that requires also 0 decimal places. And we're going to put in a value of 1 to 5 here, where a 1 is not at all confident, and a 5 is very confident. And we'd better put all the others in there as well. So not at all confident, we'll just put in a value of 2, 3 would be a neutral, 4 be confident, 2 can be not very confident. Okay. And you'll continue to put these variables in. So the next one is produce your best work under examination conditions. So we'll go best exam for that. And we can just if you highlight this box and press Ctrl+C, then you can paste the same, and you can do that with decimals as well. So take a copy, paste, paste, paste. We'll put in a couple more. So the next one is respond to questions asked by a lecturer in front of a full lecture theatre. So let's put quest lecture in there. And the next one is manage your workload to meet coursework deadlines. Manage work. And the next one is give a presentation to a small group of fellow students. Present small, and so on. So if you go back to data view, you can now start to input the data. So say we've taken this student and we've given them an ID code of a 1, and they're a male. And in their how effectively they studied, they said actually that they were not very confident, but the second one up to that, which was a 4, and they were neutral on the next one. They gave a 4 on the next one, and they gave a 4 on the next one, and they were neutral on the next one, and so on and so forth. So you'll end up with your full data set here. Now you can either practice setting up your own data file by inserting the data from your own questionnaire, or if you have some data that you're working with at the moment and you'd like to use that, then put that into the file and send me any questions or give me a call if you have any queries. Thank you very much.